knock knock. You are watching The Damini Show.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे शो यानी द दामिनी शो में। आज हम लोग जैसा कि आपसे प्रॉमिस किया है एक और गेस्ट के साथ आप सभी के सामने आए हैं जिनका नाम है पावन बंसल। तो पावन, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया यहाँ आने के लिए और हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए। इससे पहले मैं पावन से बातचीत करूं, वैसे मैं बहुत बातचीत करने वाली हूँ, बट इससे पहले मैं इनसे ढेर सारी बातें शुरू करूं, मैं पहले पावन के बारे में आप सभी को बताना चाहूंगी। पावन पोकर प्लेयर है। पोकर क्या है इसके बारे में हम आपको कुछ ही देर में बताएंगे, बट पावन वन ऑफ द वर्ल्ड बेस्ट पोकर प्लेयर है और इस समय हमारे बीच आए हैं और हम लोगों को मौका दिया है जानने का, कुछ नया सीखने का। तो आज का हमारा शो है इंटेलिजेंस और स्मार्टनेस के नाम, जहां मैं दिखाना चाहूंगी आपको कि कैसे एक बच्चा, यहाँ थोड़ा मजाक करती हूँ मैं जरा सा, एक बच्चा जो थ्रू आउट स्कूल टाइम टॉपर रहे हैं और उसके बाद स्कॉलरशिप के बाद ये बाहर भी गए हैं। जैसे कहते हैं ना इंडिया में कि विदेश पढ़ने गया है हमारा लड़का, तो ये हमारा वही लड़का है जो विदेश पढ़ने गया था, बट अब चेंज करके फील्ड ही इज इनटू पोकर और ये इतना बेहतरीन खेल रहा है इस समय, जितनी तारीफ करो उतनी कम है। सो ज़्यादा बातें ना करते हुए मैं पावन के साथ बातचीत शुरू करती हूँ और आप सभी को बताती हूँ एग्जैक्टली कि पावन करते क्या है। तो पावन, सबसे पहले तो सभी लोग जो आपको देख रहे हैं वो आपके बारे में जानना चाहेंगे कि आपकी फैमिली में कौन कौन है और आप कहाँ से बिलोंग करते हैं।
तो मैं एक्चुअली दामनी, जहाँ पे हमें रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, मैं दामनी के घर से 3 घर दूर छोड़ के रहता हूँ और हम बचपन से साथ में बड़े हुए हैं। मेरे घर पे मेरी मॉम, मेरे डैड और मेरी छोटी बहन जिसकी अब शादी हो गई है। बस छोटी सी न्यूक्लियर फैमिली।
So Pawan, poker exactly, like, what made you choose this poker?
So it's actually a very funny story. I went to university in Singapore, and ever since I stepped into the university, there used to be a very popular trend amongst all the seniors.
Okay.
That they would go through their classes and everything and complete the projects, but towards the end of the day, they would always play poker together in a lounge.
Okay.
And someone had told me in the first week of university itself that it's very easy to get by if you know and are friends with your seniors.
Okay.
Even more than your professors. So I took that to heart and I was like, what's the best way to bond with the seniors?
Yeah, obviously. Yeah.
And I arrived at,
That's a poker. Right?
Yeah, everyone plays poker. So might as well learn poker and see how it goes.
Yeah.
So I started playing with seniors and as you can predict, I wasn't very good to begin with. The seniors took all my money and that irritated me because I'd been competitive since childhood. So I was like, okay, now I have to get better because the seniors won't respect me until I beat them.
Yes.
And I have to get my money back whatever I lost. I can't have the seniors give me my money.
देखिए,
So-
यहाँ पर मुझे कहना नहीं चाहिए, पावन यहाँ पर हमारे बनिया दोस्त है, तो ये वही बनिया बुद्धि, मेरे पैसे यहाँ पर छीन लिए तो मैं लेके ही रहूंगा। देख रहे हैं आप? अच्छा, ये मजाक वाली बातें कोई दिल पे मत लगाइएगा, लगा लिए तो प्लीज कमेंट में बता दीजिएगा, बुरा लगा तो हम माफी मांग लेंगे और आपको शो में बुला लेंगे, हम दोनों बैठ के यहाँ पर खेलेंगे। बट फिलहाल लाइक पावन जैसे बता रहे हैं अभी, so Pawan, then what happened? Like after this you started playing and you lost a lot of money because of your seniors and all. Then when was the time you started like taking it back from them?
I think it was after a week or so.
Oh my god.
Yeah, after a week or so of losing, I was like, okay, let me put in some work. And luckily, one of my roommates, he was probably one of the smartest people that I've ever seen.
Okay.
And he was also really into poker.
Okay.
So the two of us would sit down, discuss strategy, and we used to play on this Facebook app, which some of you might have played on. It was called Zynga Poker.
Okay.
It used to be very popular back in the day.
Okay. Okay. That's nice. So Pawan, like, okay, जितने भी listeners हैं मेरे, आप लोग ये सोचे होंगे कि हम लोग हिंदी से बात करते हुए इंग्लिश में क्यों आए? The reason being, हम लोग सारी information, this show is basically for the international plus Indian people. से पूरी information हम सभी international peoples और Indian तक पहुँचाना चाह रहे हैं. So that's why we are keeping it into English, जिससे हर किसी के पास तक, सभी के दिलों तक हम पहुँच सकें और सबके पास तक अपनी information पहुँचा सकें. तो जितने भी पोकर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस होंगे हम आज यहाँ इंग्लिश में शूट करेंगे और बाकी बेसिक क्वेश्चन वो तो हम आपके साथ गप्पे मारेंगे ही मारेंगे, हिंदी में ही वो भी। सो या, सो बैक टू द बिजनेस पार्ट। So poker, what is exactly poker? Because people don't know about it. Like if you define this game into something, what is it? Because people know about cricket, they know about basketball, they know sound engineering right now. But poker is still a new sort of like field for people in India. So what is it exactly?
Poker is a sport like any other sport
Okay.
out there. It involves a lot of critical thinking,
Okay.
decision making, which you have to do in any sport.
Yes.
You have to evaluate your opponents
Mhm.
and take the best course of action
Okay.
in the options available to you.
Okay.
So in that way, I guess the closest comparison that you could make of poker would be to chess.
Okay.
So something like chess in which you have all the
Yeah,
knowledge
use the brain
available.
obviously, yeah.
You have to use all the knowledge available to you.
Yes.
And in chess, because all the pieces, you can see all the pieces.
Yes.
Exactly how they're placed. So making that decision is a little easier because you have all the information available. But that's not really the case in poker because there are cards still to come and opponents can play in a way which you don't predict on certain cards that fall.
Yes.
So that element of luck is quite beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's a mixture of hard work, intelligence, smartness, presence of mind, everything, no?
Yeah, and a lot of math.
And
And
a lot of math.
math,
Okay,
yeah.
I'm so bad at it. Okay, so I'm out of this one for sure.
Not necessarily actually. There's so many other things that if you're not really good at one of the aspects, you can make up. So
Okay.
if you're really good at reading people,
Okay.
like in your field, I'm sure that you have become accustomed to being good with people, right? It's a people's game as well.
Okay, okay.
So if you're not good at math, don't
Then I
worry
can
about
give it a
that
try
much.
then.
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
I'm changing my career, guys. Okay, मेरा हो गया है. मैं anchoring बंद कर रही हूँ. मैं poker में जा रही हूँ. Because I can see a lot of money here. Okay, we'll talk about the money now. Okay. So okay, just kidding. So यहाँ पर the reason being I just like started this conversation because of poker. The thing is this, I came across to one of the person who started talking to his kid, and he said that you have to be an engineer or you can just go for the event industry like mine one. But when the kid said that he wants to play poker when it comes to his like career choice, no, his parents got a bit pissed off. So the main reason behind shooting this show with you is to get this information for all the parents who are thinking that poker is not a good game. So I thought that it would be better that if you can come here and guide the younger ones and tell them that no, this is a good game and you can just go forward. So that's the reason behind me calling you here, and thank you for giving us the information again. So I'll be saying it again and again. I'll be saying thank you again and again.
You don't need to. My pleasure.
I'm buttering you. Sure. Okay. So the next question comes here. Like when it comes to the poker, you must have played a lot of games, right? Can you just share one of your best moments in the day when it comes to the poker game? When you're playing the game and you feel that this is the best moment of my life when I played this game, no?
So hard because I've been playing the game for so long and
Yeah.
there have been so many moments. But I think the best I've probably felt is when I was at the World Series of Poker
Okay.
in Las Vegas, and in one of the events I finished second out of 3,000 something players, and yeah, that was my proudest moment.
Nice. That's the proudest moment for me as well. No? I can feel that thing that you were playing at the world level and obviously.
Yeah, and I actually ended up finishing second to a former world champion who won the main event.
Oh, nice.
I think he won the main event back in 2009 or something.
Okay.
And we used to, in 2009, we had just started playing,
Okay.
and we used to watch the World Series of Poker, sitting with all the other friends, and we had seen this guy win. And then to compete with
Big moment for sure.
and
I can understand. Big
Yeah.
moment for sure. Okay. मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर सीट जानना चाहूँगी आपसे, जैसे पोकर आपने शुरू किया, ठीक है, मैं शुरुआती आपकी कठिनाइयाँ जानना चाहूँगी, लेकिन चैलेंजेस आपको आए, बिकॉज आई नो हम लोगों की फैमिली लाइक एवरीवन इंडिया में अगर देखा जाए, आई एम नॉट सेइंग टू ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन, बट मैक्सिमम अभी भी हम लोगों में अवेयरनेस थोड़ी कम है. सो दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम आवर काइंड ऑफ फैमिली कि अगर हम कुछ ऐसा चूज करते हैं तो काफ़ी सारा अपोज करते हैं फैमिली ना, काफ़ी मना करते हैं कि आप एक नई फील्ड नहीं चूज करते तो किसी सुना भी नहीं है. सो पोकर का जब आपने सुना, क्योंकि फ्रैंकली बताऊँ तो मैंने भी कुछ आपसे ही सुना है इस बारे में, उससे पहले नहीं पता था, किस तरीके के चैलेंजेस आपको देखने पड़े बिकॉज ऑफ चूजिंग दिस फील्ड?
सो जैसा कि आपने अभी कहा, कुछ भी अगर हमारे देश में नया करने जाओ, इंजीनियरिंग, डॉक्टर और उससे अलग, तो चैलेंजेस किसी ना किसी लेवल पे कम से बढ़ते बढ़ते, पोकर जैसे गेम में तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही है, बिकॉज लोगों ने सुना नहीं है, या फिर उन्हें लगता है कि उसमें बिकॉज कार्ड्स इन्वॉल्व हैं तो सबको लगता है कि जुआ है, या फिर तो अब उस सब को साइड में करना और लोगों की थिंकिंग को बदलना बहुत मुश्किल है, बिकॉज लोग यूजुअली ओपन अप नहीं होते चेंज के लिए। तो अगर उनकी जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस है उन्हें मीट करना है, तो यू हैव तो आपको पूरा धीरे धीरे उन्हें समझाना पड़ेगा कि एग्जैक्टली कैसे वर्क करता है, जो कि आसान काम नहीं है
जी, ऑब्वियसली आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड।
हाँ, तो सबसे चैलेंजिंग मेरे लिए एक्चुअली ये था कि मैं अपने मॉम डैड को कैसे समझाऊं, एंड बिकॉज उनकी मुझसे काफी उम्मीदें थी कि बेटा माइक्रोसॉफ्ट या गूगल में जाएगा और जॉब करेगा इंजीनियरिंग के बाद।
रिकॉर्ड पे तो आपका बिल्कुल एक अच्छा ही रहा है हमेशा, मतलब पढ़ाई में आपका टॉपर है, तो ऑब्वियसली
ये एक्चुअली मेरे लिए काफी गलत साबित हुआ उस टाइम पे। अगर मैं स्टार्टिंग से थोड़ा शरारती होता और पढ़ाई लिखाई से इधर उधर ध्यान लगाता
फिर पोकर में जाता तो शायद एक्सेप्ट कर लेते,
क्योंकि बचपन से ही सोचा होगा कि तो अब आ रहा है इसका कुछ नहीं होने वाला, इसे छोड़ दो। बट बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं था तो मुझे थोड़ी ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ी उन्हें संभालने के लिए। तो धीरे धीरे इट वाज अ ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस, टाइम लगा, बट इवेंचुअली मेरे पेरेंट्स एक्चुअली काफी अंडरस्टैंडिंग थे, लकीली।
और मुझे लगता है बच्चा जो करना चाहता है ना उसे सपोर्ट करना चाहिए।
हाँ, डेफिनेटली।
बच्चा अंदर फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहा है, व्हाट आई थिंक।
हाँ, अगर कोई जो कुछ करना चाहता है और जिसमें अच्छा है, अगर आप उसे उसके हटके कुछ और करने के लिए कहो जिसमें वो अच्छा नहीं है, तो वो 100% अपना कभी नहीं दे पाएगा।
Exactly.
और अगर आप अपना 100% कभी नहीं दे पा रहे हो तो वो चीज में आप कभी बेस्ट तो हो ही नहीं सकते।
Exactly, right.
बेस्ट बनने के लिए तो 110% देना पड़ता है।
True. तो आज हम चाहते हैं हम चांद पे और हम पैदल भी नहीं चल रहे हैं 2 कदम भी,
हाँ।
तो कोई फायदा नहीं है। आप चांद तक कैसे पहुंचेंगे जब तक आप थोड़ी दूरी भी मतलब चलने को तैयार नहीं है। So it's like yeah, right.
हाँ।
So Pawan, like apart from this one, people think that there's some investment to start this game. Like I was reading somewhere, I came across a few of the people. They were saying that there's some investment. Is there any other way, like from which the people can just start playing without investing money? And how did you start it? Like, did you invest something or did you just went with free sort of thing?
No, so when I started playing, I never really invested my own money apart from the games in the serious in which you were playing for a very small amount of money, which wasn't very significant. So when I started playing online, I started on this app called Zynga, and there was a way that chips could be sold on the site. So I just built my bankroll up from there, and then eventually, when I started playing real money, I just made one deposit, and after that, I never had to deposit again. And in this day and age, it's even better for people who are just starting out, because all these online poker sites, they have a lot of promotions in which you don't have to invest anything at all. You can just sign up, and there are a bunch of free roll tournaments in which you take part, and if you win, then you can play other games with those winnings, or you can withdraw those winnings and do something else.
I've seen the ad also, which is coming nowadays of PokerBaazi, right?
So PokerBaazi is actually, it's...
what is it exactly? PokerBaazi, like everyone is going towards it, like what is PokerBaazi? Like this is the company for all the things?
Yeah, PokerBaazi was actually one of the first websites in India.
Okay.
And I was actually a team pro for PokerBaazi.
Oh, nice!
In the year 2016.
Okay, 2016. Yeah. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, I have seen the ad like coming on TV, coming and another.
Yeah, it has really grown.
Yeah.
And the people behind the site are amazing. So
yes.
Yeah.
Right. So I've seen that ad. So apart from poker, आप क्या करते हो? मतलब आपको क्या करना पसंद है जब आप फ्री होते हैं?
Apart from poker, मुझे travel करना बहुत पसंद है. ट्रैवल करना और नई नई जगह जाना, that was actually one of the reasons जिसकी वजह से मैंने पोकर खेलना शुरू किया था.
तो अभी कितनी कंट्री हम देख चुके हैं ऑलरेडी? देखो मतलब मैं पूरा ही घूमने वाली बात करती हूँ, जितना भी आपको याद हो.
जितने मैं घूम चुका हूँ,
या
मुझे
क्योंकि मेरी डायरी में तो पूरी भर चुकी है. मैं जितना सुनती हूँ कभी यहाँ है पावन, सो याद आता है.
I think around 35.
ओके. एक और बेनिफिट है, अगर आप पोकर लेना चाहते हैं और आपको घूमने का भी शौक है तो आपके तो बल्ले ही बल्ले हैं. बिल्कुल मेहनत कर लीजिए और पोकर में चले जाइए. बिकॉज पावन को मैंने बहुत रेयरली देखा. बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन पावन यहाँ पर है घर पे, वरना पावन को पकड़ पाना, वो एक डायलॉग नहीं था, डॉन को पकड़ पाना मुश्किल ही नहीं नामुमकिन है, वो वाला डायलॉग था. So वही डायलॉग है पावन के लिए,
हाँ,
कॉल करो और पावन कहीं ना
थैंकफुली मुझे 12 मुल्कों की पुलिस तलाश नहीं कर रही है।
पर हम लोग सारे 12 लोग तुम्हें तलाश कर रहे हैं ना, इसलिए या सो या तो आपको अगर घूमने का भी शौक है तो आप लोग पोकर को जा सकते हैं आगे, है ना पावन?
जी बिल्कुल।
तो पावन अभी किस तरीके के चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं? जैसे लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, 6 महीने से सभी बंद है, 6 के 8 महीने हो गए ऑलमोस्ट। सो
पूरा साल कहाँ गए समझ नहीं आया।
और इस साल तो मतलब नॉर्मली आप बाहर ही रहते हैं हमेशा ना, और इंडिया ही रहते हैं। सो अभी फिलहाल किस तरीके के चैलेंजेस आए जब आप बाहर खेलते हैं, और अभी जो लाइफ चल रहा है उसमें क्या है? गेम्स चल रहे हैं?
हाँ गेम्स चल रहे हैं। एक्चुअली पोकर वाज वन ऑफ द फ्यू इंडस्ट्रीज जिसमें इंक्रीज हुआ था। हाँ बिकॉज सब लोग घर पे बैठे हुए थे, उन्हें जॉब्स नहीं करनी थी, तो टाइम पास करने के लिए वो सब ऑनलाइन पोकर खेल रहे थे। तो अब बस ये चैलेंज है कि यूजुअली मैं खेलता हूँ लाइव, ट्रैवल करके दूसरी कंट्रीज में जाके लाइव टूर्नामेंट में खेलता हूँ। बट अब क्योंकि वो नहीं हो रहा है तो मुझे ऑनलाइन खेलना पड़ रहा है। तो उसके लिए अभी मैंने अपना नया सेटअप बनाया है।
तो मतलब नॉर्मली आपका कहना है कि आपके लिए तो अच्छा ही रहा लॉकडाउन एक
तरीके से देखा जाए तो।
सारे नए वाले प्लेस पकड़ लिया होगा ना आपने, जैसे कॉलेज वाले
कोशिश करते रहते हैं।
कोशिश मुझे लगता है पकड़ ही लिया है फॉर श्योर। जहाँ कॉलेज में इन्हें सीनियर्स ने पकड़ लिया था, इनके पैसे ले लिए थे, आज इन्होंने सारे नए वालों को पकड़ लिया होगा फॉर श्योर। So apart from this, like you are playing poker right now, if you can give some tips to the youngsters who are coming to this field, like some specific tips, because people are like they're getting distracted right now. They don't know the right path. You told the exact website how to start, but what all they have to like read or take information or take knowledge from. So can you just give the tips for all the youngsters who are trying to enter into this, or anyone, any new person who is entering poker? If you want to give some tips.
Yeah, of course. So the first and foremost thing that I would like to say is, if you're coming into poker for the sheer purpose of making money, then it might not be the best idea, because money comes a lot later. The first thing that comes in poker is you have to learn the game, and in order to master the game, you'll have to spend a lot of time. It's not very easy work. As it might seem from the outside.
Honestly.
So in any field, if you have to succeed, you have to put in a lot of work. So don't expect quick returns. Like I'll learn this game and then suddenly I'll start making so much more money along with my salary. So it'll be like a good part-time thing. So if you're looking to do that, then I would advise you to stay away.
Yeah.
But if you have some sort of appreciation for decision making, math, or understanding and manipulating your opponents into doing what they don't want to do, and putting them in tough situations and making good decisions yourself.
Yeah.
If that is your drift, then poker is one of the best games for intellectual stimulation as well. It's just
I've seen you reading as well, because like I went to Pavan's place and Pavan keeps on reading something or the other regarding the poker, right? People think that if the person is a sports person, he has to work hard, he has to go on running, he has to do this like workouts and everything. But when it comes to these kind of games, there's no hard work. But in reality, there's a lot of hard work. I've seen you working like throughout the night, also throughout the day, also like you're just reading something or the other regarding the poker.
Yeah, there's a lot to read, there's a lot to understand. There are a lot of videos that you can watch. A lot of them are available for free on YouTube. That's like the best way
Can you
to
refer
get.
something where they can just learn something? Like you were telling me something
So-
about your friend, right?
Yeah,
Can
so
you just
a
refer
friend of
him?
mine just started this thing called Poker Bootcamp India. We'll provide a link in the description.
Okay.
And he has started this school from scratch. So if you're looking to learn and you have no idea what poker is, then it is one of the best places to go to. Apart from that, if your game is already at a level in which you think that you know what to do, but you want to go to the next level, then the different training sites and softwares that you can work with. And I'm guessing there are not very many of you out there, so we'll not go too in depth into that. If any of you have any questions, then you can feel free to message me or yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. If you have any question, then you can just message Pavan.
Yeah.
He'll be there to help.
Yeah, if you have any particular questions about which training site to go to or which books to read, then
Yeah.
feel free. Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. So Pavan, the thing is, this next question is something like, if you want to just share a bad memory, like a bad moment in your game, like we you told us about the World Championship, right? You were playing and it was the best moment for you. There must be something because of which you must have felt like I should leave poker for sure. Is there any incidents in your mind like that?
Which made you want to leave poker?
Yes, something. Like it happens, no? There is some time in your life when you think that we should not go forward with this, no, we should just leave something and go ahead. Was there any time?
Not to the extent that it made me want to leave poker,
Okay.
but there have been times where the morale is down because the thing about poker is if you play it for long enough, then there have to be periods where you don't do as well. Right? So the trick is to just not let yourself get bogged down by those dry spells because you never know when the next big winning streak is going to come from.
Exactly.
So I try not to let it influence me too much, but yeah, sometimes it can get a bit annoying.
Honestly, it happens with every field, I guess.
Yeah, I guess
every
that's
person
true.
must be feeling this thing in some or the other point of life, I guess. Whosoever is like passionate about their career, I think this time comes in the life, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Okay, so Mama, apart from this, which is a big event you're like playing right now, and how are you going for it? Like, you told us that you're playing a lot of games, okay? So I'm going to take all the information here. So,
Right now,
what is the big reason behind it?
the biggest games that I've been playing online have been the World Poker Tour.
Okay. What's going on?
Yeah, it's going on online,
Okay.
and World Poker Tour is coming on an Indian website,
Okay.
which is going to start later this month.
Okay. And how many hours is this game all about? Like how many hours you can just see or like something, you know?
How many hours can you play?
Play.
You can keep playing 24 hours a day. The game's pretty much every single time.
Okay.
But if you want to play, if you want like reasonable hours to play, then probably start at like 8 o'clock in the night because that's when the best games are.
Okay.
And play until like 3 or 4 late into the night.
Oh, mostly like the night hours it works like great. According to you.
Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
The best message that I can give you is keep following Damli's show because she gives opportunity for you to learn about a lot of different people who are doing different things which you might not even have heard of, like poker for instance. So it's always good to broaden your horizons and understand how different people lead their lives, I guess. So keep following and keep doing the good work that you're doing with the show.
Thank you very much, Father. Thank you.
And it's been a pleasure being here.
I felt the same. I'm like so happy that you came here. You gave us the chance to talk to you and you shared your journey, you shared the game focus. It was really nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So ये थे हमारे साथ पावन जिनसे हमने ढेर सारी बातें करी. अगर किसी को पोकर से रिगार्डिंग कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो वो लोग पावन को डायरेक्टली कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं, वरना हम लोग की वीडियो में आप लोग को काफ़ी कुछ पता लग जाएगा. अगर आप नए हैं पोकर के तो भी आप इस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं, या आपके जान पहचान में कोई है जो ऑलरेडी पोकर खेल रहे हैं और कुछ एक्स्ट्रा सीखना चाहते हैं, उनको आप पावन का रेफरेंस दे सकते हैं. इस वीडियो का मेन पर्पस था कि आप तक हम कहानी पहुंचा सकें, आपको बता सकें कि हर एक चीज़ लाइक इंजीनियरिंग, सिविल सर्विसेज, आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स, इन सब के अलावा भी करियर है. आप निराश मत होइए. अगर आप यहाँ नहीं हैं तो आप कहीं और के लिए बने हुए. सो बस पोकर एक और फील्ड हम आपके सामने लेके आए थे कि अगर आप अपने करियर को अभी एक्सप्लोर कर रहे हैं, आप जानना चाहते हैं आगे कहाँ जाएं, तो पोकर को भी आप अपनी लिस्ट में रख सकते हैं और सीख सकते हैं बहुत कुछ. थैंक यू वेरी मच. अगले हफ्ते एक और गेस्ट के साथ हम यहीं मिलेंगे और आपसे ढेर सारी बातें करेंगे. तब तक ढेर सारा प्यार आप सभी के लिए, और आपका भी ढेर सारा प्यार मुझे ऑब्वियसली मिलता आ रहा है और मिलता रहे. ऐसे तो हम लोग ऐसे ही ग्रो करते रहेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हैव अ ग्रेट डे. अगले हफ्ते फिर एक गेस्ट के साथ मिलते हैं. थैंक यू.
Knock knock, you are watching The Damini Show.